Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to today's video. And if you see markets moving down today, and as I had said that do not buy once we go up from here, because that most probably could be a trap. And if you see markets went up and again came down from there, nothing really happening in the market after that, but markets closing at the day's low. Now if you see the FNO data today, pros have gone a little bit short. They've squared off their future long quantity. They've return calls over here. They've also bought a bit of puts, or squared off their put shorts a little bit. So what can we do for tomorrow is going to be simple. Now as I said that there could be one move on the downside in the market, and in that dip, in that down move is where we can go ahead and take a bullish trade in the market. So what tomorrow should happen is that 23,100 to 23,000 is going to be a very good support area. As I had said in my weekly analysis video also, this is the place where you can think about taking long positions. And most importantly, 23,000, this level over here is going to be your stronghold, and you need to watch out for it tomorrow. Now tomorrow what might happen, or not what might happen, but what would be very good is that if market comes down, makes a wick, and then again closes at higher levels itself, somewhere where it has where it had opened, right? Because if that happens, then it will be the best for the bulls, and then we can continue this rally on the upside with a little bit of pullback, most probably till 23,500. Then again after that we might see a little bit of pullback or some sort of a consolidation, and then even 24,000. So for tomorrow, very simple, since the market has closed in a bit of a negative way, we will go ahead and take a short position also for tomorrow, a short trade also for tomorrow. So very simple over here, it is going to be that the level that we are going to look out for is very simple, 23,225. Below 23,000, if let's say we open with a little bit of gap up somewhere near 23,260, 270, and then if we start to break 23,225, you guys can go ahead and take a short trade over here again till the target of 23,100 to 120 on the downside. In this area is where I think you should book most of your profits, and then you can let the rest of your quantity go till 23,000 also, no problem in that. So what we are expecting over here is that we might see one pullback on the downside, and then we might see a very good move on the upside, which will easily take us till 24,000 also, right? So that is for nifty. If however we open with a gap up about 23,320, then this most probably will be a little bit of a volatile day. But in the second half, if let's say in the first half itself we again consolidate in this range, in this previous day's range, then in the second half about 23,380, we can expect again a recovery which will take us till 23,500 also. So tomorrow if we open with a gap up, what we need is a little bit of consolidation, at least 2 to 3 hours of consolidation, if not the first half. Then after that, if we are breaking out about above 23,380, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here till the target of 23,500. Book a little bit before the round number. As I always said, do not wait for the exact number to come, right? So I hope that plan for nifty is clear. If we open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 23, 160, 150, all these levels, we'll wait for one pullback. We'll not go ahead and short at lower levels also, because that will be a bit of a volatile thing. What might happen is that after opening with a gap down, we might again go down very fast till 23,100, 23,080. If that happens, if we go down till a target level after opening with a gap down without giving a pullback, then most probably there will also not be a trade on the downside for tomorrow. And then rather we will think about taking bullish trades from lower level after seeing positive price action in 15-minute chart, or any sort of bullish pattern that you see in the market. You guys can take that as a confirmation, or not as a confirmation, but as an indication of taking a bullish trade from lower levels, because this is just a pullback, right? Market has moved up a lot. If you see in the past week over here, if you see, market has recovered a lot. So now this is just a pullback. If we want to, if the market has to go short also from here, market will not be able to do that until unless this 22,600 to 500 area is crossed, because there are multiple supports. As the market comes down, there will be multiple supports on the downside which the market will have to face if it has to go down. So As of now, being extremely bearish on the market is not really a great idea. Rather, as I said, that take small trades. Right now, this trade that I said for taking a short position, take that trade, right? But don't take very big trades in the market, thinking that the market will again fall 1,000 points or 1,500 points. That is a bit of a hard thing to happen because I mean, sure, it might anything can happen in the market, but we need to go with probabilities. How high is the probability of this thing happening in the market? So as of now, the market being completely bearish again, like it was over here, is a little bit less. So better thing would be to be a little bit bullish and buy at lower levels in the market. So I hope the plan for that is very clear for Bank Nifty. Also, if you see today is low, tomorrow for Bank Nifty, the better thing would be if you open with just a little bit of gap down, somewhere gap up somewhere near 49,800 or a little bit above that, 850, all these levels. And then if you are breaking 49,650 on the downside, you guys can go ahead and take a short trade in the market in Bank Nifty also. Your target will be 49,200 straight up first of all, and then 49,000 on the downside. This area again will act as a very good support for Bank Nifty also, and from where itself we can again start to take bullish trades on the market. Your intraday target you can book somewhere near 49,500 if you want to, but yes, for a positional, on a positional basis, then we can also aim for a new all-time high. No problem in that if we are taking a if we are making bullish positions at lower levels. So now that is if you open flat. If you open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 49,400 or 500, all these levels, then we'll wait for one pullback, right, till 49,650 to 49,000, say 49,700 to 49,650. In this zone, if you see that market is taking very good rejection or has started to make lower lows again, then you guys can go ahead and take a short trade again from it till the same target of 49,200 and 49,000. No problem in that. But yes, if we open with a gap up above 49,900 and sustain near 50,000 itself for the first half of the day or at least 2 to 3 hours, then above 50,100 we can again expect a move in the second half of the day, which will easily take us to 50,500 also. No problem in that, because we are again opening with a gap up. So most probably this up move that has happened over here should resume on the upside from there. So I hope the plan for tomorrow is very clear. As I said, we will take one chance on the downside to buy at lower levels, and this most probably could be a very good trade that you can take on a positional basis. Maybe buy a monthly call, or any sort of strategy that you can take, in which you can take a trade for a few days with a very big target, because buying a trade at a dip like this can give you very very good risk to reward ratios if your targets are very big. Like, let's say you buy somewhere near 49,200 to 49,000 and keep your stop loss somewhere near, let's say, 48,800, right? So even if you have a 400 point stop loss, you will have almost 1,800 points on the upside if you book your profit somewhere near 15,000. So 400 points and 1,800 points is 1 is to 4.5 is to reward ratio. So you need to find trades like these where the risk to reward ratio is very high, and these types of trades will give you a very asymmetric return on your investment as compared to the risk that is involved in it. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.